Now our next question is simplify 27 raised to the power 3 divided by 9 square. You can use laws of exponent or without laws of exponent you can solve it. Without laws of exponent, how will you solve it? You have to expand it. 27 raised to the power 3, that will be equal to 27 into 27 into 27 divided by 9 square means 9 into 9. Okay, then 27 will be divided by 9, you will get 3. Same here. Now you have to multiply 3 into 3, 9 and 27, 9 the 9 7 63, 9 to 18 or 6 24. You will get 243. But if you want to apply laws of exponent or even sometime it is asked in the question ki solve by applying laws of exponent. In that case you have to apply the law of exponent. So first see, change their bases as prime numbers. You can change because you know very well you can write 27 as 3 into 3 into 3 means make the prime factors of 27. You will get 3 raised to the power 3. Now 3 raised to the power 3 in place of 27 you have written 3 raised to the power 3 and raised to the power 3 because it is the power of 3 given. And now you can write 9 as 3 raised to the power 2. So in place of 9 you have written 3 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power 2. Yes. Now we will use which law? Yes, power of a power. The power will multiply. Like this, 3 raised to the power 9, 3 into 3, 9, 2 to 4. You have to write the law in the bracket. A raised to the power m raised to the power n. You will get a raised to the power m into n. Okay. Now, bases are same. Powers are different. In case of division, it is a division law. So you will subtract the powers. So you will get 3 raised to the power 9 minus 4. Now write the law in the bracket as well. A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. You will get a raised to the power m minus n. Clear? Now it is 9 minus 4, 3 raised to the power 5. If it is asked write in exponential form, then you can leave your answer up to here. But it is asked simplify, then you have to expand it to solve it. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You will get 243. The answer will remain same. So you can solve it by applying laws or without law. Okay. So I am taking one more part, that is C part. Simplify 3 by 5 raised to the power 2 multiply by 3 by 5 raised to the power 3 whole bracket and then divided by 9 by 25 multiply by 3 by 5. Clear? Now we will solve it. Even you can solve this question without law or with law. Okay. Now with law, how will we solve it? Here you can see the bases are same. In case of multiplication, powers are different. Means multiplication law you will apply here. So base is same. So power will be added. You will get 3 by 5 raised to the power 2 plus 3 divided by 9 by 25. You can simplify it or you can convert it in the form of 3 by 5. Because you know 9 is 3 into 3. 25 is 5 into 5. So it is 3 by 5 raised to the power 5, and here it will be 3 by 5 raised to the power 2. Both have 2 power, means 3 raised to the power 2, 5 raised to the power 2. You can write it as 3 by 5 raised to the power 2. If bases are different, powers are same, so the bases will be divided with same power. This is also a law of exponent. And multiply by 3 by 5. You have to write the law in the bracket. A raised to the power m multiply by a raised to the power n, that is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. And one more law we have used here. A raised to the power m, okay, divided by b raised to the power n. Then you will get a by b raised to the power m in this part. Okay. Now it is 3 by 5 raised to the power 5 divided by, now here we will apply the same law, this law. Bases are same, powers are different, so we will add the powers in case of multiplication. So you will get 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Now again powers are same, bases are different, and there is a division sign. So power will be subtracted. I am doing here. You have to write all the laws which you are using. Okay. So you will get 3 by 5 raised to the power 5 minus 3. You will get 3 by 5 raised to the power 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So that's why 3 by 5 into 3 by 5, you will get 9 by 25. Clear? First, bases are same. In case of multiplication, power will be added. You will get 3 by 5 raised to the power 5. And now here you have to convert this number in exponential form. You will get 3 by 5 square. 3 by 5 square and 3 by 5 raised to the power 1 same. Power will be added. You will get 3 by 5 raised to the power 3. Now this is 3 by 5 raised to the power 5 and this is 3 by 5 raised to the power 3. And you are dividing them. Means bases are again same. Powers are different. In case of division, the powers will be subtracted. So you will get 3 by 5 square, means 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. You will get 9 by 25. And here you have to write the law as well. A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that is equal to a raised to the power m minus law, m minus n. In this question, you have used 3 laws. One is bases are same, powers are different in case of multiplications. So, powers will be added. And one more law, bases are different, powers are same. So, in case of division, the bases will be divided with the same power. These 3 laws we have used in this question. Clear?